Good afternoon. Saturday the 28th of April, so heading towards the end of the month now. Sort of do a very quick video on how the onions are doing. Pretty happy with them, to be honest. There's good growth. I've got 5 that are doing very well indeed. Pumping out plenty of new flutes. I think around about 18 leaves, something like that. I'm not quite sure, I'm counting exactly. Using some Preds mites on them, just to keep on top of any issues. So no problems there. Watering now is around, it's about 180, 36, 5.5 litres a day into each pot, and that seems to be doing okay. Biggest is now approaching 13.5, 14 inches. Most are over just about 13 now. There's a couple, like I said, 13.5, 14. So really good. So yeah, beginning to bulk up nicely. 5 smaller ones, sown about 3 weeks after the other ones, around about mid to late November, something like that. I can't remember exactly, but they'll catch up. Purposely done just to see what happens with the weather. These may burn out quicker than I thought, but we'll see. So that was it, just a couple of minutes just to show you how they're growing, and probably do another quick video towards the end of May. Thanks for watching.